Welcome to Modern Study Zone. Today we deal structure of atom. Everything of nature made up by atom, living, non-living, just like a protein, carbohydrate, fat is also part of atom. Different carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen combined to form living particles, protein, it is biochemical compound, and non-living all things made up by atom. According to Dalton theory, atom not be divided in small particle. So it is smallest particle of nature. But at present time we know what is the constituent of atom. Electron, proton and neutrons are constituent of atom. Electron, it is negative charge particle discovered by J.J. Thomson. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. It is measurable mass. Charge of electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So negative charge also found in electron. It is very smallest particle. Other particle is proton. It is discovered by Goldstein. Mass of proton is 1.67 10 power minus 27 kg. Charge of proton is equal, but it is positive, just like electron, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Third particle is neutron. It is chargeless particle discovered by James Chadwick. Mass of neutron is 1.6742 into 10 power minus 27 kg. So neutron is some heavier than proton. Now different model of atom. What is the structure of atom defined by different chemists and scientists. First model is Thomson model. According to Thomson model, atom are found in spherical shape. Proton, electron, neutron also distributed in random form. At present time, it is not valid. Other experimental model first given by Rutherford experiment. So selected gold foil was about 1000 atom thick or 0.004 mm. Fine files of gold also selected for to experiment. Helium particles like alpha S, He2 and 4 strike on gold foil. It is also positive charge particle which strike on gold foil. During experiment, maximum alpha S across gold foil. Some alpha S deflected and changed their direction because alpha S is also positive and nucleus also present in center of any atom. Very few alpha S strike on foil and move inward direction 180 degree because they are direct strike on center or nucleus part of atom. So this is experiment of Rutherford. It is diagram here. It is gold foil, alpha S, maximum alpha S across. Here is also show. Some alpha S also deflected. Very few alpha S return in back direction. According to Rutherford experiment, conclusion of atom, maximum part of atom is hollow, means empty part also found in atom. It is spherical shape. It is similar with Thomson model. Positive charge and mass situated in center of atom. So positive charge situated in center region of atom. Electron around the nucleus. Electron is negative charge particle and it is move around nucleus. What is the drawback of Rutherford model? It is really good model, but some demerit also found in Rutherford experiment. Electron is charged and energetic particle which around the nucleus, but after some time